You can easily earn money on the Gaddin website simply by answering surveys. This website is highly legitimate. How do I know that? It has excellent Trustpilot ratings, which makes it reliable. Now, let's see how to register on this website and start earning money. Click the link provided in the description to directly access the website. On the right-hand side, you will see a Join Us tab. Enter your email, name, and password, then click Free Registration. Once you click that, this page will open. Here, you need to fill in all your details. After entering all the details, click on Submit. Once you click it, the next page will open. On this page, they mentioned that it would redirect automatically. I waited for a long time, but it didn't redirect for me. So I closed that page and went to the website's home page. I entered the Gmail and password I created and logged in. Now let's see how to earn money on this platform. The only way to earn money here is by completing surveys. At the top, you will find a Partner Surveys tab. Click on it. After clicking, you will see several surveys listed. For each survey, they mention how much amount you will earn upon completion. Click on a survey, complete it, and the specified amount will be added to your account. That's it. It's very simple. Now, let's see how to withdraw the amount you earn by completing surveys. On the top right corner, click the wallet icon and select My Payment. Here, you will find all the payment details. According to them, the minimum withdrawal limit is $20. So, once you earn $20, go to this page, enter your PayPal ID, and withdraw your earnings easily. In addition to PayPal, there are several other withdrawal options, such as Amazon. You can choose any option you prefer. Okay, friends, this is how you can earn money on the Gaddin website. This is a great website for earning money by completing surveys, so give it a try. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comment box. If you want to watch more videos on earning money, click on any of the videos showing on the screen now. Thank you.